Hi, my name is Tarun. Hope everyone is doing well here today. In this video, let's learn about the applications of computer graphics. The first application is graphs and charts. An early application for computer graphics is the display of simple data graphs usually plotted on character printer. Data plotting is still one of the most common graphics applications. Graphs and charts are commonly used to summarize functional, statistical, mathematical, engineering, and economic data for research reports, managerial summaries, and other types of publications. Typically, examples of data plots are line graphs, bar charts, pie charts, surface graphs, contour plots, and other displays showing relationships between multiple parameters in 2 dimensions, 3 dimensions, or higher dimensional space. Next, a computer-aided design. A major use of computer graphics is in design processes, particularly for engineering and architectural systems. CAD, computer-aided design, or CADD, which is computer-aided drafting and design methods, are now routinely used in automobiles, aircraft, spacecraft, computers, home appliances. Circuits and networks for communications, water supply, or other utilities are constructed with repeated placement of a few geographical shapes. Animations are often used in CAD applications. Real-time computer animations using wireframe shapes are useful for quickly testing the performance of a vehicle or system. Next is the virtual reality environments. Animations in virtual reality environments are often used to train heavy equipment operators or to analyze the effectiveness of various cabin configurations and control placement. With virtual reality systems, designers and others can move about and interact with objects in various ways. Architectural designs can be examined by taking simulated walk through the rooms or around the outside of buildings to better appreciate the overall effect of particular design. With a special glove, we can even grasp objects in a scene and turn them over or move them from one place to another. So the next application is data visualization. Producing graphical representations for scientific, engineering, and medical datasets and processes is another fairly new application of computer graphics, which is generally referred to as scientific visualization. And the term business visualization is used in connection with datasets related to commerce, industry, and other non-scientific areas. There are many different kinds of datasets, and effective visualization schemes depend on the characteristics of the data. A collection of data can contain scalar values, vectors, or higher order tensors. Next is the education and training. Computer generated models of physical, financial, political, social, economic, and other systems are often used as educational aids. Models of physical processes, models of physical processes, psychological functions, equipment such as a color-coded diagram as shown in the figure can help trainees to understand the operation of a system. For some training applications, special hardware systems are designed. Examples of such specialized systems are the simulators for practice sessions, aircraft pilots, air traffic control personnel. Some simulators have no video screens, for example, flight simulator with only a control panel for instrument flying. If you can look at the picture, you will get to understand what airplane simulator is. Next is the computer art. The picture is usually painted electronically on a graphics tablet using a stylus, which can simulate different brush strokes, brush width, and color. Fine artists use a variety of other computer technologies to produce images. To create pictures, the artist uses a combination of 3D modeling packages, texture mapping, drawing programs, and CAD software, etc. Commercial art also uses these paintings techniques for generating logos and other designs, page layouts, combining text and graphics, TV advertising spots, and other applications. A common graphics method employed in many television commercials is morphing, where one object is transformed into another. Next is the entertainment. Television production, movie, motion pictures, and music videos routinely a computer graphic methods. Sometimes graphic images are combined a live actor and scenes, and sometimes the films are completely generated at computer rendering and animation techniques. Some television computers also use animation techniques to combine computer generated graphics of people, animals, or cartoon characters with the actor in a scene, or to transform an actor's face into another shape. Next is image processing. The modification or interpretation of existing pictures such as photographs and TV scans is called image processing. Image processing methods are used to improve picture quality, analyze images, or recognize visual patterns for robotics applications. Medical applications also make extensive use of image processing techniques for picture enhancements in tomography and in simulations and surgical operations. It is also used in computed X-ray tomography, position emission tomography, and computed axial tomography. Next is the graphical user interface. It is a it is common now for application software to provide graphical user interface. A major component of graphical interface is a window manager that allows a user to display multiple rectangle screen areas or display windows. Each screen display area can contain a different process showing graphical or non-graphical information, and various methods can be used to activate a display window. Using an interactive pointing device such as mouse, we can activate a display window on some systems by positioning the screen cursor within the window display area and pressing the left mouse button. Thank you.